Can you help me? How to ask this in Mudra edition? Okay, before we jump into Mudras, we need to gently translate it to Malayalam because Malayalam has its own attitude. So it becomes Enikku Tangal Oru Sahayam Cheyyumo. Can you help me? Do I sound like a spoken Malayalam tutor? Enikku, either both hands or a single hand. Enikku. Ningal, either both hands or a single hand. Ningal. Oru. You can skip this if you need an unlimited health plan. Sahayam. Sahayam. See, both hands have the same mudra, padagam, and keep it like this. Sahayam Cheyyumo. This is a bit confusing. See, 1, 2, 3. Cheyyumo, the same question mark. Cheyyumo. Now put it all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Enikku Ningal Oru Sahayam Cheyyumo. If you want it a little bit casual, all set. Hit follow, give me a like and drop a comment before you run away.